صباح الخير. Good morning. Unlocking your potential. Exploring Coursera's world of online learning. So follow me in this video to know more about Coursera. When you register into your Coursera, you will find many courses, online courses. These online courses is very important for you to explore yourself and develop yourself through online learning. So how to do this? Follow me in this video about Coursera. After registering in Coursera, you will find or receive many emails about online courses, chances online learning. A lot of chances, as you see. These are just in last May, from 1 May, we have recommended Google UX design and Google cybersecurity professional certification. So let's go inside any email from Coursera, and then go directly to Coursera. You can go here and register in the course and learn by yourself through online this material from Coursera. And if you need the certificate, you can pay small dollars, but you can take the course without certificate, and this will be free. And there are a lot of certification from Coursera which is free, full free of charge. All you need to do is to register in the access of this course. You will enter your email which you registered with and the zip code and continue. If you are not registered, so you will go to Coursera and Coursera free, and then go to the Coursera website .org. It's organization, it's not commercial website, it's an organization website. So you join for free. You click here and start in filling this application using your email, full name, username and father name and surname, telephone number, or you can join using Facebook or your Google account. So you have many options here. 3 options: your full name here, email and password, and join for free. Okay, or using your Google account or Facebook account. Okay, after you enter this, you can search on the certifications here, and you have, these are all free courses. Financial markets, financial banking, investment management, risk management, and this course is good. Introduction to psychology, it's also free. Writing in sciences, introduction to statistics, successful negotiation, essential strategies and skills, Stanford introduction to food and health, introduction to negotiation, a strategic playbook for becoming a principal and persuasive negotiator. All these courses are free. Business analytics with Excel, elementary to advanced. Second page, game theory, agile, organizational statistics. All these are free. Brand management, connected leadership, child nutrition and cooking, understanding the brain, neurobiology of everyday life, management of fashion, the strategy of content marketing, communications, marketing, media strategy and planning. That's good also. Essentials in clinical simulations, cartography, data management for clinical research. All these are free when register and join any course from this. International Women's Health and Human Rights, free course. Introduction to User Experience Design. Medical Neuroscience. Introductory Human Psychology. Narrative Economics, communicating, influencing, marketing, storytelling. Introduction to Calculus, learning how to learn powerful mental tools to help you master touch subjects. Personal development, business psychology, human learning. Behavioral finance, behavioral economics, business psychology, communication. All these are very important certifications. You can filter the courses appear here: arts, business, computer science, account management, accounting, for software, beginner, intermediate, advanced, mixed. So if you would like to search about computer science, you just click here and you will get all courses about the computer science. Cryptography, introduction to user experience design, learn to program the fundamentals, cybersecurity for everyone, introduction to le programmation in passion, in French. What is the metaverse? Introduction to medical software. Code yourself, an introduction to programming, programming language part A, discrete optimization. Internet history and technology and security, introduction to augmented reality and AR core, problem solving, Python programming and video games. Introduction to TCP over IP, Internet Protocol, functional programming, principle of Scala. Data processing using Python. And artificial intelligence search logic. Developing Android apps, interactive computer graphics, operations research, optimization algorithms, strategy of operations, this all about computer science. Show more if you need to search about a course about online marketing, so show more here. And you have arts and humanities, data science, language learning, physical science and engineering, business, health, math and logic, social sciences, computer science, information technology, personal development. Data science, if we need about data science. So all courses here about data science. Right. Introduction to statistics, computational neuroscience. This is very important for artificial intelligence. Econometrics methods and applications. Advertising, algebra, communication, econometrics. Introduction to data science, programming, processing, mining, data science in action, data analytics for Lean Six Sigma, Excel. This is in another language than into English. Introduction to embedded machine learning. This is also good if you need this one. The course from 1 to 4 till 4 weeks, simple. And also data science key means clustering in Python. Also another good skills, algorithms, probability, statistics, theoretical computer science. This practical time series analysis and initiative introduction to probability, fundamentals of Excel, negotiations. This course is good. Key means clustering in Python. I think this one is good. You can start this. I can start this, so I selected it. Enroll for free. Starts June 3 today. Join for free. I need to start enroll for free. Join email. Already in Coursera sign in. I have already, and this is password and my email login, and I started the bridges for ensure that I am not a robot. So all bridges I will select here. Verify. Now I verified, and I will start the course here. It's time 3 months. Already started. هنا لو انت if you need the certificate you will pursue the course and you will get a certificate by paying 49 USD. Full course no certificate, it's free. You will still have access to all course materials for this course. Start learning. This is the way you select a course, free online course on Coursera. So you have two options: to pay about $50 and get certificate, or learn without certificate for free. And here we have got it. Schedule, introduction, what is data, example of data, types of data, machine learning in news, supervised versus unsupervised learning, supervised versus unsupervised, key means clustering, key make review information, preparing your data, and real world data set. Week 1 summative assessment. This is for week 1. and then have week 2, week 3, week 4. These are all just 5 weeks. You can finish them during the 3 months, the 5 weeks. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe to the channel to reach every new video we upload, and to support us by write a good comment to encourage us to continue. So we'd like to search reach search engines like Google and YouTube and Bing and Yahoo. Moreover, we need to reach 10,000 subscribers in this channel. Thanks for watching.